first stage of development is the sensory motor stage, and this is from ages birth to 2 years. This is when infants recognize themselves as agents of action. They begin to act intentionally by shaking rattles and other toys to make noise. Infants in this stage will also learn object permanence, realizing that things exist even when no longer present. An example of this was that we saw in class when the child still knows that there is a toy underneath a blanket, like the blanket in the ball experiment. And there are sub-stages to this category, which I will get into more in depth at the end of the video. The next stage of development is the pre-operational stage. This is from ages 2 to 7 years. This is when children are learning to use language to represent the objects around them by images and words. In this stage, children are thinking egocentrically, and they still have the difficulty understanding the viewpoints of others. The next stage is the concrete operational stage, and this is for children ages 7 to 11 years. This is when children are thinking more concrete and logically about objects and events. Children at this stage are achieving conservation of number by the age of 6, mass by the age of 7, and weight by the age of 9. In this stage, children are also learning to classify objects according to different features. All right, the last stage of development is the formal operational stage, and this is from children 11 years and older. In this stage, children are thinking logically about abstract propositions and testing hypotheses systematically. Children at this stage are also concerned with hypothetical, future, and ideological problems.